Hey, hello people. It's your boy Jojo, and this is my channel Jojo Connect. So, on this channel, I show you how to get things done easy and simple. You know how it is. So, if you're new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be one of the very first to know each time I drop a new video. So on today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to how to blur a face or to blur a very part of your video right inside of YouTube editor. So if you want to know how to go about this, just sit back, relax, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. Um, I'm already on YouTube, so you just go straight to your channel, click on your channel, and then you click on YouTube Studio. So once you get to this part of your YouTube account, just click on videos. Alright, so this is what happens. You just select the video you want to blur a face, or you want to blur a portion of the video. Now, why would you want to blur a face or a portion in your video? The thing is this: sometimes your video might have people in the background whom you do not have the authority to show their face on your video. You can just blur it, and that would be fine. The same thing applies to, even if you want to blur a particular portion of your video. Perhaps maybe there's an information you feel is too private and you don't want to reveal it. You can blur it up. Or perhaps there's an information, or there's a write-up on your video that makes your video look a bit somehow. You can just blur it without any problem by following this procedure that I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to try and see if I can. This is my latest video. I'm going to show you how to blur using this video. Okay, so you just click on the video, and then you go straight to editor. So once you're in here, you just go ahead and just hold on a bit, let the video open up. Okay, so here we go. The video is loading up now. So this is your video in the timeline of your YouTube editor. So what you do is you just click on add blur here. So this is where you have to select whether you want to just blur a face or you want to actually blur a particular portion of your video. So I'm going to start the tutorial with blurring a face. I'm going to start the tutorial with blur face. So I'm just going to click on edit. So you just have to wait a little while so it can process the video and select the faces on the video. I think on this video is just my face that is there, so I believe it's going to bring out my face now. It might take a little time to process the video depending on the size of your video as well as on the speed of your internet. Okay, as you can see, the YouTube editor has selected everywhere you have faces, and like I told you in this video, I only have my face in the video. So if there were multiple faces, the editor would identify the multiple faces on the video, on the entire video, and display them for you to choose which one you want to blur. So I just want to blur this one. That's the one I'm giving the instructions. So you just click on it. So once you click on it, you click on save now. So if you watch the video now, you will notice that every part of the video that has to do with my face will be blurred. And the good thing about it is that it will, as you move
how are you today?
The face,
I'm Jojo.
The blur effect would also move with the face so that it doesn't show at all, as you can see right on the screen.
And you're welcome to my channel, Jojo Connect.
Yes, so that is that for that. So I'm going to
see on this
have
channel,
to remove it because I'm not saving it. So the next part I want to show you is how to edit, how you can edit videos from, edit a portion of the video. For example, let's say I want to edit a particular part that has some write-up, like I want to blur this Jojo Connect. What I would just do is I would just click on custom blurring. So I'm going to assume that I want to just blur this Jojo Connect. So what I'll do is just highlight that particular portion like this. Highlight the portion like this, and this is the timeline where you determine how long you want the blur to stay on. So I'm just going to try and play the video and see how long the Jojo Connect appears, so I can determine how long I want to stretch the blur. Okay, so let me go back again and see if it's from the beginning. Okay, so maybe let's say just right about there. So what I'll do is I just come straight to my timeline here and then draw the blur back to the line so that it's actually it just stops on the exact place I want it to. So let's take it back again and replay and see. So there's still a bit of a portion of the Jojo Connect showing before I started the video, so I'm going to have to do it again. Just make sure you are intact. Okay, somewhere around here would do. So I'm just going to stretch it out again. I'm going to stretch the extension out again, and let me just stretch it up until this point. Let's see. So this should be perfect. So let's check it out again. Beautiful. So as you can see, then what do you do next? I just go ahead and click on done, but I'm not going to click done because this is my video which is already loaded up on my YouTube channel. So if you want to blur that particular part just like that, you just click on done and that would be it. So I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.